In this video, we are going to fix error opening in Microsoft Store or Microsoft Store is not opening in your PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's get started. The first solution that you can do is that you need to clear the Microsoft Store cache. Press Windows key and R key together. In that way, you can open the small window called Run. Here, please type for wsreset.exe and click on OK button to proceed. So once you have opened this blank window, okay, I want you to check if the error has been resolved. Okay. However, if not, then let's move on to the next solution, and that is to check for Windows Update. So navigate at the start, make a right click, scroll up, and click on Settings. At these settings, please proceed to the left pane, find for an option which is the Windows Update, click on it. And then you need to check for updates. Click on here or resume updates. In this way, you'll be able to fix the problem. So wait until you'll be able to update your computer to the latest one, okay? Once we're done, try to open your Microsoft Store again and check if it's now opening, okay? But if not, then you can check the time and region of your PC by navigating at the start, make a right click, scroll up, and click on settings. Here at the settings, please navigate to the left pane and then you can find here an option which is they time and language, click in here, and then after that you need to navigate first to the date and time. There you can see set time zone automatically and set time automatically. Please enable this one, and once we're done with this section, please click for the time and language again, go with language and region, and from here under the region section, please select your country or region. Okay, after that, restart the PC and check if the error has been resolved. Try to open your Microsoft Store again and check if it's working or opening. Okay? Now, if you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click or turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified for more upcoming tutorials. Thank you and have a good day.